Hi, I'm Kay-Lene Tan, the head pastry chef at Tonka and Coda restaurants in Melbourne, Australia. I started my first career in documentary production before becoming a pastry chef. I've now been a pastry chef for more than 10 years. I started later in my pastry career, but I've always been committed to learning. In 2015, I was the first runner-up of the San Pellegrino Young Chef of the Year Pacific region, followed by winning the Rising Star Award at the Food Service magazine's Women in Food Service Awards in 2017. I started my pastry career at Chef Joel Robuchon's flagship restaurant in Singapore before moving on to work with Chef Jason Atherton and Chef Andres Lara at Poland. When I moved to Australia, I worked at the European before finding my way to Tonka and Coda restaurant with Chef Adam De Silva. This course has been designed for you to learn the pastry fundamentals. I'll introduce you to pastry classifications, key ingredients and tools to work with. Plus, I'd like to take you through how to prepare and make meringues and cookies. Pastry is all about technique and precision. Pastry is like chemistry, with recipes being like formulas. I am here so you can understand the pastry fundamentals are the key building blocks to further your journey into the pastry world. So join me now in Pastry Fundamentals.